How to fix no GPS signal lost in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option software update. Now click on it and then click on download and install. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now in last you can see the option factory data reset. Now click on it and then click on reset. Factory data reset means it will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.